So here is a good news for all the Arcade participants out here. Most of you are asking about when is the facilitator program starting, whether it will come or not, and what are the criteria how to participate. So in this video, I'll cover some of the unsolved mysteries about the Arcade facilitator program. As we have seen yesterday only, and I have updated in the night via short means also, that the Arcade program for the April month is live. You can see there are some major changes over here. And here is the good news that the Arcade facilitator program will be starting mostly in April or maybe in first week of May. It will start very soon. We have received the update from the internal team itself and she posted about the program. Now what is Arcade Facilitator Program? It's a no-cost program which will help you to earn more Arcade points. As you have seen in the point system, they have reduced all the points, means now every game gives us one Arcade point, so it becomes very difficult to reach 95 points. So what they have done, they are just doing a minor changes in the price counter also, that now we don't have to reach up to 95 points. Okay, the points tiers will be decreased and you'll be able to get your best swags out here. Now regarding facilitator program, what is facilitator program, how to participate, all these videos will be live very soon. Okay, currently the registrations are not open. Whenever it will be updated, I'll make a video for that. Do not worry about it, stay tuned in the channel. And coming to the Arcade April month games, so if you just navigate to the channel playlist, you can find multiple videos are already live and the playlist is also updated. From there you can easily complete all the things. Okay, if you still have any doubts, you can reach out to me via any of the social media. And most important thing is that do not worry at all. We'll cover everything from scratch. Even in the Chennai Academy Epic Edition, I've covered everything. Only the project submission is remaining, which will be also very live very soon. Okay. So this is the important update that the facilitator program will be starting very soon. You'll be getting some cool goodies over here and a chance to earn more points. Also, you'll see a new price counter this time, which will be the best because most people share the feedback in the previous cohort that they were dissatisfied with the swags also and the points. Like just 95 points you have to reach for getting the top tier. Now it will surely be reduced because for every games we get one Arcade point. So thank you, have a great day ahead, and the Arcade Facilitator program is coming very soon. Stay tuned for more.